Welcome to Doi Suthep Nature Center. This center was established in 1996. It is an academic service unit under the Faculties of Science, Chiang Mai University. The Nature Center is located near the base of Doi Suthep on Hue Gao Road, between Hue Gao Arboretum and Chiang Mai Zoo. The center has been established for three main objectives. The first, to exhibit information on different aspects of Doi Suthep: natural science, ecology, history, cultural, and local knowledge. Second, to encourage sustainable tourism in Chiang Mai. And the third, to collaborate among researchers and organizations. Those are involved with tourism and conservation activities on Doi Suthep. Our vision is to grow awareness of the public on nature beauty and their connections. Our mission is to be a center for hosting activities and training to promote learning about nature, focusing on the natural science and ecology. We have allocated one room to display an exhibition called Suthep Now, Then and Hope. This exhibition explains Doi Suthep in various aspects: biodiversity, ecology, culture, and history. We provide information about biodiversity found in Doi Suthep on different platforms and services such as youth camps, training, and volunteering programs. In order to fulfill our national and university strategies on environment and energy innovation, as well as community service, we focus on students and young children. However, most activities are open to the public, encouraging them to love the surrounding nature of Doi Suthep. The Nature Center plays an important role of conservation by building a network to promote nature-friendly communities and collaborating with other partners, such as Doi Suthep Pui National Park and Chiang Mai Kheo Sui Hom organization. In order to conserve nature and the environment, we have organized various activities, especially for young generations, such as Doi Suthep Kids Rangers program and nature-based playground activities that we teach kids about biodiversity of Doi Suthep, introducing native tree species to them. We are seed collection, seed sowing, seedling potting in our native tree species nursery. For official education program, we provide an online course on forest restoration technology through Chiang Mai University lifelong education website. This course aims to demonstrate different forest types of Doi Suthep and how to restore them, using hands-on knowledge and experience from Foru Chiang Mai University long-term project.